Apex News, India, Northeast.
नमस्ते, मैं दीपिका दे आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूं एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया पर। आइए एक नजर डालते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस पर। अब खबरें आगे। सबसे पहली खबर मेघालय से, जहां राज्य ने अपनी क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम को मॉडर्न बनाने की दिशा में एक बड़ा कदम उठाया है। शिलांग में डिजिटल इन्वेस्टिगेशन मॉनिटरिंग मॉड्यूल लॉन्च किया गया और पुलिस के लिए नए स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स भी जारी किए गए। इसके साथ ही नए क्रिमिनल लॉज को लेकर एक विशेष न्याय संहिता एग्जीबिशन का भी उद्घाटन किया गया।
Thank you to our Honorable Chief Guest and the other dignitaries for having formally released the SOP.
Before I stand, he quietly says, "Sir, I think now we can call 3T or T3. I remember T3 when I landed Delhi. Terminal 1, 2, 3, we call it. But I asked him what does it mean by saying T3. I thought maybe Terminal 3. But he said it is not like that. The full form of T3 is timeline. Number 2, technology. And thirdly, it creates that trust among ourselves. Timeline, technology, and trust. So I would like to request all of us here in the sessions that you have, and also while inspecting each and every stall of the exhibition program, please take this program today that we have, take back to your home, take back to your community, and from tomorrow, let us start sharing this experience we have today to our friends, to our relatives, to our mom, to our dad.
अब बात के HADC से जुड़े एक महत्वपूर्ण खबर की। खासी हिल्स ऑटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल ने फिलहाल ट्रेड लाइसेंस को पूरी तरह ऑनलाइन करने को लेकर कोई अंतिम फैसला नहीं लिया है। काउंसिल के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर विंस्टन टैनी लिंडो ने कहा है कि इस प्रस्ताव पर अभी विचार किया जा रहा है।
Supplementary question in yang mundur batna namar ba kumangong menne ni patla ban implement hidup menta kadang dai tang haka por ka bangidang ya kren dani gidang ya thir kumnu bangin wanra kalong na kamlong the end product let's see kan wanra be kijing mento ya ka council hi brok kawai kan plok ya ka leakages dong ka revenue kata ka dai ka ba kongsan pat ka ba ar ka dai ba kan perlong tekno sabino ya ki staff ki jongi ki badan hamni bakin yo menteri kam lingba ki core computers bat lada ki kwa ban yo e ka data kamut hasyan be kin yo e ka data kin badan kam e ban dawat di kata kasai lada imenjur kata sai ka di ki jingmentoi lada yo ban implement si sai ka ni ka online system hak bai dai bat ka trade department kumba pi ong ka polisi trekam jo ke isi hi borokowe ka longba ban aila ya ki briu la jong ki blala ki kam bantre bangin penking ya kanika rukom ai touring license den re ka e ka jing so ka jonga ka long ba lada ki ai online ka e pat ka legal application ba si sin ba filabu online lada ki bila bar jala ki apply ya ka touring license online shubu menta haba kila apply online kila seal hatu kamlong mandatory ya ka isi bahkan hab ai bet ya kan itu nasa but ki kan kring ya ki wepat ki bril ki badai na ki wepat ki jala haba ki ui bakal adon ke online system ban apply ke trading license ni pak hasil ngaso kanihi kan long ko bakli jin thang war ya ki bril benabar bani apply trading license mention hang tu baladangin le ya kani ke online system kani kan penteri kam be cek tang ya ki renewal license Kemudian ke online hakabai day buat ke renewal. ki bala yo ya ka license hakini ki snam ki bala adab ki nyo ban renew hak online. Andre ngadap mention do specifically ba ya ka fresh trading license nin numle hak ka online. But balai bang ong kata namar ba ni don kam ban check ni don kam ban te lakam tidak kata de halor kata kanong rim bang ong menne kalong ba hakabai dai bat ka fresh trading license ki hap ban one batch ban ya kendu ya ki staff hangni hapo ka office trekam ke jongi bangin yo ban te lakam lada ki kot kisla ki wonra ki biang ki biang pat ki don chibun ki kendon ki ba la ban te lakam ti ngan chu ai biang ka ki ba ka basai i ba ladangi la ban pentrikam shisai kani ka online system kani kan trikam betik tang ya ki bawan banle ya ka renewal amdai ya की फ्रेश लाइसेंस।
मेघालय में कोल माइनिंग को लेकर जारी अनिश्चितता के बीच डिप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रेस्टन टिंगसन ने स्पष्ट किया है कि माइनिंग गतिविधियों की बहाली में हो रही देरी का तुरंत समाधान संभव नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा कि ये मामला केंद्रीय कानून से जुड़ा हुआ है और राज्य सरकार को निर्धारित कानूनी प्रक्रिया का पालन करना होगा।
What is your take on this?
No, for that, I don't know why should they say that they can't wait. As I said to you, this is not only that you can just write a paper and then you can change the law. They need to understand the reality. This is a central law. Some people, they mislead about the central law. They say, why should MMDR Act be implemented in Meghalaya because we are the 6th schedule area. It's totally, it is totally misinformed. So what I'm saying here is, the citizens of it need to understand what the law. If it is the state law, yes, we are ready to revisit it immediately. But if it is again central laws, there are processes where you need to approach. You have to go step by step. Then ultimately you go to the government of India, approach. If need be, maybe they can go for the amendment. So you should not just say that state government does not do or we are not we are not responsive. But let me tell you one thing: we are very much positively responsive to any issues that we face in the state of.
But did the government mislead the public that this MDA government is the first government to bring scientific mining? Because now we're getting to know that scientific mining hasn't even started.
No, license has been granted. Because see, again, when we issue the license, it is not the government who implement it. No, this is the private party, the private, the private sector who is supposed to undertake these activities. It is not the government. You can't blame the government if we are the one who has to do the mining. But I'm telling you, we can't, we are not. It is only for the private parties or the private individuals who has to do the mining activities throughout the state.
So clearly the people are suffering.
No, don't ask me so much question. Let me just tell you one thing. In shortcut. On the 22nd, we will do the detailed presentation from the technical team where we will study, is it possible that we ban the MMDR Act or not? Unless the presentation is made, we can't. And because see, the presentation also is being prepared by the expert. And the expert, what they did was, they did their homework diligently. And on Monday, we will have a detailed presentation made by them. We invited also the stakeholders that you should also be present and see the reality, how it can be. Okay, thank you.
शिलोंग में पुलिस गाड़ी को क्लैंप किए जाने के मामले पर डिप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रेस्टन टिंगसन ने साफ कहा है कि कानून से बड़ा कोई नहीं है। सोशल मीडिया पर उठे सवालों और विवादों के बीच उन्होंने जोर देकर कहा कि चाहे अधिकारी हो या जनप्रतिनिधि, सभी को ट्रैफिक नियमों का पालन करना होगा।
Similarly, just recently, media persons we've recorded a video of traffic police clamming one of the police vehicles. But majority of the public have said that this is just fake, and it's very true that they just one phone call away, and there was no kind of fees that was charged, or the police was not penalized. Do you agree with this? That it just
see the public will say anything, but let me tell you that direction has been given from the government side to all the police force. No matter how big or small you are, but law has to be made. Be it the senior officers, be it the ministers, be it MLAs, or be it anything. When we already created a parking space where you need to park the vehicle, you please respect that and do that. So beyond that, I'm telling you, we have already instructed the police force who are looking after traffic or in the police station who are looking after law and order, that they have to be stringent and they should not mind, do your job rightly. That's it.
Yesterday, the miners.
भारत बांग्लादेश सीमा पर घुसपैठ और अवैध प्रवासी के मुद्दे मेघालय के लिए बड़ी चुनौती बन रही है। डिप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रेस्टन टिंगसन ने स्वीकार किया है कि कई मामलों में संदिग्ध घुसपैठियों को वापस भेजने के बाद बांग्लादेश उन्हें अपने नागरिक मानने से इनकार कर देता है, जिससे स्थिति और जटिल हो जाती है।
Occasions, two places, there was this infiltration bid.
Early I had a meeting with the person. See, we have few challenges like that. Sometimes when we send them back, because if you go as per law, if you go as per the Foreigners Act, it will take a lot of time. So the moment they detected or the moment they found out those people trying to enter to Indian territory, then and there is said they push them. But few instances happen where, even from the BDR did not accept that. They said, no, this is not our people, it is your people. So that challenges are there. But ultimately, while checking all those documents, so they found out that yes, they have Bangladeshis. So you have to accept it, and ultimately those issues were resolved.
So another thing I just wanted to ask.
यह समय हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए रुकने का। ब्रेक के बाद मिलेंगे कुछ और खबरों के साथ। देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया।
Welcome to Greenhaven, Shillong. Hidden among Meghalaya's misty hills, Greenhaven, Shillong invites you to slow down and reconnect. Indulge in luxurious comfort, stunning views, heartfelt hospitality, and the serenity of nature. Discover a stay that's more than a getaway. It's an experience, where every stay feels like coming home.
किचन में चीजें जितनी भी प्रेडिक्टेबल हो, फॉर्च्यून सोया बड़ी से आपको कुछ नया ही मिलेगा। फॉर्च्यून सोया बड़ी, बनाओ कुछ हटके।
आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है। चलिए देखते हैं बाकी की खबरें। मेघालय हाईकोर्ट ने राज्य सरकार से पुलिस थानों में लगे सीसीटीवी कैमराओं की पूरी जानकारी मांगी है। कोर्ट ने एफिडेविट के माध्यम से कैमरा लोकेशंस और फुटेज स्टोरेज ड्यूरेशन की डिटेल्स देने के निर्देश दी है। यह मामला पुलिस स्टेशंस में सीसीटीवी सर्विलेंस को लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के निर्देशों से जुड़ा हुआ है। अगर आप फ्यूल प्राइसेस में तुरंत राहत की उम्मीद कर रहे हैं तो ये खबर आपके लिए है। केंद्र सरकार ने स्पष्ट किया है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजार में क्रूड ऑयल के दाम घटने के बावजूद पेट्रोल और डीजल की कीमत तुरंत कम करना संभव नहीं है। सरकार ने इसके पीछे कई आर्थिक और भौगोलिक कारण बताया है।
The government has indicated that fuel prices cannot be reduced immediately despite a fall in global crude oil rates. According to Union Minister Suresh Gopi, lower-priced crude takes time to reach India due to transportation and supply chain factors, including movement through the Strait of Hormuz. The government also maintains that oil marketing companies have faced significant financial pressure amid recent geopolitical tensions, making an immediate reduction in retail fuel prices unlikely.
अब नजर डालते हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खबरों पर। मिडिल ईस्ट में तनाव एक बार फिर बढ़ गई है। हिजबुल्लाह ने नॉर्दर्न इजराइल पर दर्जनों रॉकेट्स दागे हैं, जिसके बाद पूरे क्षेत्र में सुरक्षा को लेकर चिंता और गहरी हो गई है।
תראו כמה מערטים, הנה. תשמעו כמה יירוטים, מה זה? תראו כמה יצאו, תראו. לדעתי איזה 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, זה 10 יירוטים במכה אחת.
मेघालय के 2 हाजंग युवाओं की मौत के मामले में पुलिस जांच तेजी से जारी है। डिप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रेस्टन टिंगसन ने भरोसा दिलाया है कि पुलिस हर पहलू की गहराई से जांच कर रही है और सच को सामने लाया जाएगा। इस मामले को लेकर हाजोंग समुदाय और छात्र संगठनों ने व्यापक जांच की मांग की है।
Well, I will not explain much about this issue because it is under active investigation done by the police. So right now the police is on job to find out all the details, and the truth will ultimately be found out in the near future.
और अंत में रोजगार से जुड़ी एक बड़ी खबर। मेघालय सरकार ने पुलिस विभाग में 1000 और भर्तियां कराने की ऐलान की है। हाल ही में 3000 से अधिक पद भरे जाने के बाद भी बल में कर्मियों की कमी बनी हुई है। सरकार का कहना है कि भर्ती प्रक्रिया की तैयारियां जल्द पूरी कर ली जाएगी।
It is happening in the district and city. Don't you think that the city is limping into abnormal way of not maintaining law and order?
No, not necessarily. You see, as I said, true, because the law and order, maintaining of law and order is a 24/7 job. Policing is a 24/7 job. So you cannot just expect that the police, even in the presence of police, nearby criminal activities happen, where you can't do anything, you can't help it. But whatever illegal activities or criminal activities done, ultimately the police are on the job to make sure that those culprits or those criminals are ultimately booked as well.
Even the vehicles were dodged. Government vehicles were dodged.
Yeah, that's what right now I'm telling you. The government, the police forces are on the job to trace out and to find out what's happening and who has committed those illegal activities.
आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है। चलिए देखते हैं बाकी की खबरें।
Amid growing controversy over alleged irregularities in donation management and recent theft incidents, a major administrative change may be on the horizon for the Ram Mandir Trust. According to reports, the government believes appointing a chief executive officer could strengthen administrative oversight and improve transparency in the handling of donations and offerings. Legal options are being explored, including filling an existing vacancy within the trust or creating an additional administrative position.
The government is considering a major overhaul of toll exemption rules on national highways. Vehicles attached to senior central and state government officials may soon lose their toll-free status as part of a broader effort to reduce VIP privileges. Officials are exploring alternatives such as reimbursing FASTag expenses, a move aimed at promoting greater uniformity and reducing special exemptions.
खबरों में आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। धन्यवाद।
Apex News, India, Northeast.